It's the morning, and I just got out of my hotel, and it's game time. It's 6:10 right now, and I'm about to go do the Acatenango hike, Fuego hike, sunrise hike. Starting to hike at Antigua, Acatenango. Let's go. Wow. Lunch. 2.24 miles in. I'm dying. Climbing up Acatenango. I think at the top of Fuego right now. It's really hard, honestly. There's nothing around me right now. Absolutely nothing. Hopefully it like clears up so we can see the panel, but yeah. What an experience. I'm sweating bullets. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. That is a recording. Yeah, yo.
What's up, man?
Yo.
First time recorded with Method. Yeah, me too.
Yeah. That's what's up. Are you guys ready to go down?
Before,
Yeah. Let's go. Woo! Currently climbing down now Acatenango, and it's literally pitch dark. All you can see is people's flashlights on their heads, and this is honestly about to be crazy. I think it's like an hour 30 down, but it's not an easy hour 30 down. So yeah, let's go. This is the coolest ever. One more minute.
Oh. Why does 1 minute sound long?
I don't know. That's so crazy. Yes.
Great job.
Yes.
Bless you guys. Remember, dinner is ready. Great job.
Thank you so much.
Great time.
Thank you so much.